Hey, it's Priscilla with Remax Crossroads, your real estate broker in GTA. Starting from early this month, my Best Buy of the Week will focus on only introducing you some of the great value exclusive listings. So I will no longer introduce those you can find on internet or Zolo Zulia. This way, you will have better value from my recommendation. Lately, the affordability for freehold properties has been a hot topic. People find it's really challenging to find good freehold properties under 1 million. Today, I'm introducing one semi-detached freehold from Mississauga. So let's first take a look at its location. So the red dot is where we are at. We are in the south of Erin Mills community. We drive alongside QEW highway. In less than half an hour, we will arrive at downtown Toronto. So for those people who work or study in downtown, it's actually quite convenient. All right, let's take a look at the neighborhood itself. We are surrounded by two parks, one in the south and another one a little bit to the east. Another reason I like this location is you can see we are actually quite close to U of T Mississauga. So no matter you're undergrads or you have your master degree, this is just going to take you 10 minutes to arrive at your campus. All right, let's take a look at the property itself. So this is a very typical semi-detached with one indoor garage. The property is actually quite big. We've got 4 bedrooms and 1.5 bathroom. So one full bathroom, the other one is a powder room. But it's actually quite sizable. We can see it's between 1,500 square feet to 2,000 square feet. So for a young family, I think this is more than enough. What I really like about its price, it's only asking for $850,000 and it's not for bidding. So I cannot see the interior. I imagine there might need some renovation, but I always believe location is more important than the renovation, because renovation, whenever you have fun, you can choose to upgrade as soon as you wish. But the location is always there, and the good location is the guarantee for future capital gain. Okay, so if you're interested in this property, please feel welcome to talk to me. If you have any recent purchase plan, I can cater the property search for you every day as soon as the new property is coming onto the market. Looking forward to connecting with you soon. Bye-bye.